Hello students, today we start learning the lesson Introduction to M-Commerce. It is one of the extension of e-commerce. We start with the lesson reading. Mobile commerce, also known as M-Commerce. The full form of M-Commerce is mobile commerce, but it does not mean that mobile commerce means only mobile phone is used to conduct commercial activity. No, it refers to buying and selling of goods and services through the use of internet enabled wireless devices. Now, internet enabled wireless devices means there are so many devices, okay, as mobile phone, personal digital assistant called PDA, important full form PDA, personal digital assistant, smartphone, tablet, palm top, and any other mobile device. So if any commercial activity done with the help of any communicative device such as mobile phone, PDA, smartphone, tablet, palm top, even your landline phone, they all are considered as the instrument like mobile phones, so they are the part of M-Commerce. Okay. Now, what is personal digital assistant, PDA? Now, PDA is something which is used to arrange the meeting, schedule, appointment, like that. It remind you, like for example, after half an hour with whom you have to meet, what is the agenda regarding what topic you require to discuss, etc. Palm top is also a very small type of computer which can be fixed in your palm. Okay, so all these used to conduct commercial activities, so they are part of M-Commerce. Next, M-Commerce provide the user with the advantage of flexibility and ubiquity. Now, ubiquity meaning is what? Ubiquity means anytime, anywhere. Listen, this word anytime, anywhere will come multiple times in this whole chapter. Okay, directly or indirectly in textbook it mentioned that mobile commerce means anytime, anywhere. The same thing will be repeated number of times directly or indirectly. Okay, so ubiquity means anytime, anywhere. Now, by using the mobile phone, consumers can conduct business transactions without being fixed at computer terminal, means anywhere. Without being fixed at computer terminal means anywhere, and being physically present at the shop. No need to remain present at the shop. Indirectly it says that you can able to do commercial activity anytime, anywhere. These devices like mobile phone and all those are carried by the user wherever he or she goes, making it possible to access the internet from any place. Again, anywhere, any place, anywhere. It allows real-time transaction. Real-time transaction means what? Real-time transaction means the moment when you want to participate for transaction, at that time you can participate in transaction. In traditional commerce, what happens? Real-time transaction is not possible, because when the shop or business hours over, you cannot participate. Like for example, a particular shop open till 8 o'clock, then you can't go after 8 o'clock. Okay, but in e-commerce, M-Commerce, it is real-time transaction. The moment when you think, you can able to participate in commercial activity. While on move, again anywhere, while on move. As the popularity of the smartphone and tablets is increasing day by day, more users are moving towards the use of M-Commerce, because the popularity of smartphone is increasing day by day. Some of the example of M-Commerce, now I am reading this, and we have already so many apps related to that. Purchasing airlines ticket, make my trip. Okay, purchasing movie ticket, book my show. Restaurant booking and reservation, almost every hotel and OYO rooms. Okay, hotel booking, reservation, same OYO rooms. Stock market analysis. Okay, money control. Okay, stock market means the transaction of purchasing and selling shares. That is called stock market analysis. Now, banks and other financial institutions are increasingly using m-commerce to retain their business. Okay, so every bank and financial institute, they try their level best to increase facility of banking and financial transaction in m-commerce environment. They allow their customer to access account balance, means you can able to find out what is the amount in your bank account. Stock quote. Now stock quote means what? You can able to set the quotation of the stock. Now quotation of the stock means what? You can able to put the condition that if price increase, then sell the shares. If price decrease, purchase it. So this kind of condition you can set. Make transaction via mobile phone. You can able to go for transaction. I mean to say transfer money with the help of mobile phone. So I can transfer money from my account to someone else's account with the help of mobile phone. This service is known as mobile banking or m-banking, with the help of which you can able to do banking transaction. The stock market, I mean to say share market, services offered via mobile device is also becoming popular. Okay, that you are able to do share related transaction with the help of mobile device. That facility is known as mobile brokerage. This word is very important, already asked in board exam number of time. Please mark properly. Okay. News information, sports, entertainment, shopping and reservation areas have also grown with the demand of mobile related services. So regarding all this, we can have app through which you can able to do all these activity. Benefit of m-commerce. Again, remember in the beginning of this lesson we talk about anytime anywhere. The same thing will be repeat number of time. Mobiles are being used more and more on a daily basis, and today it is not merely used to make only phone calls, okay, or receive a call. It has more use compared to give a phone call or receive a call. Mobile companies are coming up with a new feature for smartphone. Okay, so more and more features are added in smartphone, which offer consumers ease, means you can use them easily. Flexibility means can able to customize, and security, that is PIN and other things at the same time. The ease of availability and faster speed has made m-commerce more popular nowadays, because if you go for transaction with the help of mobile phone, then your transaction will be speedy. The web design and development companies have also optimized the website. Now optimize means what? Optimize means change the website, okay, or create a flexible website which can be reduced its size based on mobile screen. Optimize the website means what? Create website in such a way that whenever anybody open website in any device, then the website will be automatically adjust its size based on the height and width of that particular device, such that it can be viewed correctly, because it adjusts height and width, so it can be viewed correctly on mobile device. Now m-commerce is the integration of wireless network access through handheld device and internet. Okay, so it can be used, the two things can be asked in MCQ. The first is what? Handheld device means any handy device, and internet. Okay, these both are essential. The benefit of internet and e-commerce are offered by m-commerce also. So whatever benefit we learn in e-commerce, they same available in m-commerce also. Now some of the advantages of m-commerce are listed. First benefit, again remember, it repeat directly or indirectly the word anytime, anywhere. By providing convenience to user in just a few clicks, on the mobile device the user can do shopping. You have to just tap some option and you can able to purchase the products, and banking, and download media files like songs and movies and games while on move. While on move means what? Anywhere. While on move, while you are moving anywhere. Next, mobile device enable the user to contact at virtually anytime anywhere. Virtually means video calling. Okay, you can talk to anybody anytime anywhere with the help of video calling, which can be useful to conduct the conference for the benefit of the business. Reduce transaction cost. We already learned in e-commerce intermediaries are removed, so automatically cost decrease. Same apply over here. Only the website company, manufacturer, website company and customer, only these three participate, so cost always reduce. Okay, reduce the time to order. You can give order fast, and the user does not need to be on PC, again anywhere, okay, or PC or laptop, to give order. Anywhere you can give the order, no need to be available at PC or laptop. Streamline means easy. It go for easy business process. Okay, because people don't require to come to showroom, they don't require to go for bargaining. Okay, so for business house, the business process of m-commerce transaction is streamlined, easy. Okay, comfortable, we can say. Provide global reach. You can able to get global products. Okay, anybody can able to purchase your product, or you are able to purchase any country's product with the help of m-commerce. Conduct business 24/7. We already aware about any time you can able to access the app or website in mobile phone. Flexibility of accessing the information through any mobile device. I can able to purchase product with the help of your phone. For example, in my mobile I don't have a Flipkart. Okay, so I can able to use your mobile phone to purchase product from Flipkart. Okay, so that is a flexibility. Payment can be done using mobile device itself, like Paytm, debit card, credit card, just the same way as we do in personal computer, the way how we use in e-commerce, the same payment method can be possible. Useful to deliver time critical and emergency information. You can able to provide critical data and emergency information about earthquake and all those. You can able to get the information to the people, flight cancellation and all those, and emergency information, like for example facility of 108. Okay, or any natural calamities arise, then you can able to update people by the help of SMS or other things. Easily identify the physical location of the handheld device. You can able to get the location. Google Maps are available. The emergency of location based application enable the user to receive relevant information. For example, if you put your location on and if you go to a particular place, you can able to search when will be the next ATM, where is the nearest petrol pump. These all things will be very helpful. And we will discuss about location based service later in this chapter. We have a topic of L-commerce in which we discuss in detail. Customized alerts can be easily received on the mobile device. You can get the alert. Okay, like for example, if you purchase any book from Flipkart, and if the same author another new book launched, then you will get the notification with the help of Flipkart. So you may ready to purchase the new book of your favorite author. Instant connectivity and availability of faster 3G. Now we have a 4G service. Made m-commerce popular nowadays. Okay, so more and more people are doing this activity with the help of mobile phone. Timely information can be reached the user. You can able to provide user the on-time detail. As I say, cancellation of ticket, delay of flights, all these you can able to give on-time information to user by the help of SMS. The information of flight or train schedule delay or cancellation can be give the user on his mobile device on real-time basis. Means when it is decided, at the same time you get the message. Now we talk about limitation of m-commerce. Now, though the list of advantages of m-commerce is large, it has number of limitation also. And some of the limitation of m-commerce are the handheld device commonly used today offer a limited screen size. Means what? Size of the screen is small, and this further limits the type of file and transfer the information because the capacity is low. Compared to personal computer, the capacity of mobile phone is always low. So some file you can't open in your mobile phone, some data you can't transfer also. Okay, for example, early days Apple iPhone not allow transfer data with the help of Bluetooth to other mobile device. Okay, at times it is difficult to display the videos because some video format is not supported in mobile phone. User interface is less convenient when compared to personal computer. Interface means your working screen, okay, like desktop. Okay, now it is less convenient in mobile phone because so many icons are clumsy, whereas on Windows desktop it will be more convenient. You can able to bifurcate the things the way how you want. Next, mobile device have limited computing power. As you say, battery will become low, so you have a limited computing power, limited memory and limited storage capacity compared to PC. Okay, in PC you can able to go for high computing power. PC has more memory and PC has more storage capacity in terms of hard disk. It operates wireless network. Okay, please remember this point. Okay, m-commerce use wireless network, and wireless networks are less secure as compared to wired network. Remember, if you use a mobile phone with wireless network, then chances of your mobile to be hacked will be more. And if you use wired network, then chances of hack your device, that is less. So majority mobile phone use wireless network, which is very danger. Okay, and it is it is less secure, means chances of hacking will be more. It offers a limited bandwidth. Now limited bandwidth means what? Limited speed. Okay, you will not get the optimum speed with the help of mobile phone, of internet and other things. High cost of establishing mobile and wireless broadband infrastructure means what? You are required to invest huge amount if you want to start wireless networking facility, investment in terms of mobile towers and rent and all those things. So at the end, the cost goes very high. If you want to establish your mobile or wireless broadband infrastructure, you want to start your mobile company or mobile networking facility, then you have to invest a lot. Okay. Today we keep up to this. Now listen carefully. There are questions which I already asked in another batch. Okay. The difference between booking and reservation, that you have to tell me. What is the difference between booking and reservation? Another question, you have to tell me the difference between smartphone and tablet. Okay.